Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Coinbase account under review. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So we're gonna open our Coinbase app, and once we open it, it's simply not gonna be able to be proceed to do more. It's gonna show this kind of interface. Now if it shows this, then basically it is either not available in your region and you have to access a VPN for you to simply open it and use it, because it is only available in some of the region. But despite it is being available in your region and it's showing the third kind of notification, first thing first, you're gonna go to your app store, type in Coinbase and check if it's updated or not, because if it's not, then that kind of problem can occur. And if it shows update right away, tap on it and update it, then that problem is most likely to be solved. Then tap on settings and simply go to the storage, go to the iPhone storage and search for your particular Coinbase app and simply upload this particular app. That is also reinstalling your app without any cache files. That will also help you out. Now another thing is, before I mentioned that you have to make sure to turn on VPN for another region, but somehow if it's available in your region and you have accidentally turned on the VPN, that means that you can also connect with another region where it is not available for it to show that kind of notification. So make sure you have turned it off as well, depending on where you are and how its availability, and use it however you like. That will solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.